What is your special superpower?
Stop!
What is your unique gift? Something you maybe think that is already so normal that you don't even consider that is your special gift? Yes, Master Baby, welcome to this channel. Here is Aurora, your favorite intuitive leadership coach, master energy healer, and your unconventional mentor. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up, follow my channel to support me, share this video, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Our natural abilities are our super intuitive and soul gifts, our superpowers. Once again, yes, you heard right. Our natural abilities are our superpowers. Let's dive deeper into what I mean. Usually, people think that they must spend years learning to be intuitive, psychic, to become healers, or like meditation masters, like going through many courses, exams, and certifications so they can heal themselves and start doing the inner work. But what if I told you that each of you has your unique own intuitive gifts, abilities of your soul, your superpower that no one else has in the same way? Yes, your unique way, your unique technique for doing what you came in here to do in this body and also receive it. Those things that felt like strange to others maybe, or made others loud or hate on us when we were kids, for example, told us that we shouldn't do certain things because of what other people will might think. When we were kids, we were told that we have to fit in, so we forgot our unique special abilities and soul gifts, who we like truly are. The little child you once were didn't care about others' opinion. That little child knew exactly what to do, how to do it, when to do it, until some adult came along and told you that you couldn't only be this way, or you cannot do that, that you had to think of others, school, teachers, society. Like, for example, you can wear pink because you are a boy, you can cry, you can talk to ghosts, or like whatever. Can you relate to this? Let me know in the comments. So our uniqueness fell under the ashes and we forgot who we truly are and how intuitive we truly are and what our real passion and the real soul purpose is, the real business we should be doing and getting paid for, like naturally. Sure, being a lawyer or selling cars can pay the bills to you, but on some level you will reach. You will become to feel that it's not enough for your soul. You will start looking for something more in life with a maybe kind of strange inner feeling you can't explain, but you will feel it. And you won't find it in the outside world because it's your soul's calling you to like step out of the spiritual box and outgrow and rise up to be who you truly mean to be. It's time to become your highest, best, most powerful, rich and spiritual master, baby, but in a new way, with ease, in your unique way. Becoming spiritual doesn't mean you can't also be successful and rich at the same time. If you became successful and wealthy, for example, before you raise your psychic abilities and like using them to embrace your like business, your spirituality, you will eventually, in some kind of point of life, find yourself at like a home state. Some call it also maybe that you will like experience the 0 point where you will be reborn out of illusion, out of the matrix. But if you will do it the old way, it can be like very dramatic, painful, and you can also experience the blue seas. But instead, you can already have both. There is much more easy way you can do it. You can multiply success, attract better people, and reach the whole new level of freedom that comes from within and lasts. Sure, things that doesn't serve to you like anymore in the next level will fall away, but not from the hurt, victim, and pain mentality. It will happen because your inner calling is higher, and those who no longer support your highest soul purpose will have to go and will be released out of your life. There will be always people, spiritual, like that you can have both, you must lose your material stuff or whatever, and also there will be others, also maybe intuitives, but they will be talk to you out of the inner fear. Like, they never embrace it, and they might try to protect you from outgrowing them, but it's absolutely okay. That's all part of this journey, and it's definitely worth it, master baby. Are you ready to come out of the spiritual box to the next level of your life? I am here to support you with my one-to-one private mentoring to quantum jump you into your highest soul purpose and bring it into here and now as a successful entrepreneur, empath, or whatever intuitive you are. Let me know about you and see you in the next video.